What's up everyone, Dan here with the MarineMax Nisswa sales team, here to highlight this beautiful 2018 Premier Solaris 250. This is a 25-foot boat powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury Pro Verado. This has a ricochet ladder, nice deck space in the back. Let's hop aboard the front here and check it out. Big swim platform in the front, and as we enter into the boat, you'll notice the seating. This is an RF captain, co-captain layout, elevated captain's helm. Coming towards the rear, you can't forget about the conveniently located garbage can, the co-captain cup caddy and speaker caddy, and the rear facing seating, and you have this center cushion that can be removed and put in the front if you'd like. Thanks for watching.